Hello everybody, my name's A.D. White and I'm the Country Christmas Shop Manager here at Blackfoot Barn in Suffolk, and welcome to my festive workshop. And this is where I dream up all my crafty ideas that I want to make for this year's Christmas. So hope your preparations are going well, and hopefully you're making things as well. So how about, I'd like to share you something as well. So this is something I made earlier. This is a festive twig bauble with lights. So it looks fantastic hung up or in a bowl or something on the corner of the room. So if you're interested in making one of these, then carry on watching. For this Twiggy bauble project, all you need is a nice terracotta pot or a round shape to give you a guidance when you bend the willow twigs. Or it can be a bucket. We just need a good supply of floristry wire, some gold spray paint, which is from the Christmas shop, and then some string lights as well. So if you do grow willow in your garden, this will be a perfect project for you. So what you need is about 12 or 16 or 20 of these twigs. You cut them off, take the leaves off, and make sure it's as supple as possibly can. If necessary, put them in water, and they'll loosen up and bend more easily for this project. So what I would do also is to create some indents inside the branches. So I would tuck your thumb in between, so it's just a little bit more flexibility for your project, because you're going to do a lot of weaving. Oh, there you go, that's broken. But don't mind that, But you know, if it breaks like that, it's probably best not to use that part. But keep going all the way across and just try and gently ease the twig's suppleness. So, or you can use the edge, you know, like so. And just keep going all the way across, and then suddenly the straight twig becomes slightly more bent. So I'm just going to do a few more. There, you get the idea? Okay, so what you're going to need to do, you need to, at least 12 of these twigs in a bendy sort of format. So once you've done that, then we can start to create our 5 gold rings, I should say. But basically what you need to do is wrap the twig around there, and then we need to get some floristry wire and tie that end piece there, like so. Just keep it nice and tight, because we want all these 5 rings to be virtually the same sort of circle. And then what I would do with the excess is just wrap it round like so, to form that nice looking shape sort of wreath. I'm just going to cut this off here. There's probably some pliers. I should have used pliers really, but for now, there it is. And then the same for this side, just try and wrap as much as you can around there, and that's it. So you've got your wreath, and you need 5 of these. So this is for your guidance, bucket or terracotta pot. So if you get 5, work them way up here, and then we go on to the next project. So once you've done that, take that away, and then away. And there's your ring, and then there's your other ring, and then we're going to gather them together to create a sphere. So you can see already that the shape is coming together. So one final one there. There. Ooh, maybe I'll do that one there. There you go. So you've got a nice little sort of flower effect really, but it's really, that's what you want. So then you need some more florist wire, and you need to sort of tie quite hard the top piece there, and then maybe turn it into a bit of a loop, and that's ready to be hung at a later stage. It's rather windy out there. The autumn must be on its way. Right, so that's your sort of shape, and doing a tie at the bottom as well. But I'll do the next stage, and then your fifth ring, and you push that over the top, and then hopefully that will create an even shape even better. There. Right, not forgetting to lose the point at the top and bottom. There. And there you have your ball. And that's what you need. So then I'm going to do some more floristry wire to hold these vertical ones on here as well. Tie those with floristry wire, and then your ball is ready to interweave. Weaving. So that's what you need to get to this stage, and then and this is the ball I did earlier, where you still got your cross and your 5 rings come together, and then I started interweaving all these loose and supple sort of twigs, branches. So you just keep on going and keep on going until you're really, really happy with it. And the better when it's crisscross. So keep it asymmetrical. So that's your ball, and then all of a sudden it becomes very sturdy, and it's ready to be spray painted. So get your gold spray paint. It's perfectly best to be done outside, and it's best to be done around about just under a ½ metre distance away from the ball, and you just spray all the way around until you're happy with it. And it takes about 45 minutes to dry, depending on the condition out there, and then we can start putting the lights. So here's what I've done at the final stage, and there you go. That's been sprayed, weaved, and also inserted all these battery operated lights. So now we can switch it on and see for yourself. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? And that will look very festive in your bowl, or in a corner of the room, or it could be hung up. If I can find that little hook somewhere. There we go. And it could be